Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a curious cat named Luna. Luna wasn't like the other cats in the village. She had a spark of adventure in her eyes and a heart full of curiosity. Every day, Luna would explore the nooks and crannies of the village, chasing butterflies and investigating the mysteries of the world around her. But one day, as Luna was exploring the edge of the forest, she heard a faint, melodic sound. It was the tinkling laughter of the fairies. Luna's ears perked up, and her tail swished with excitement. She followed the sound deeper into the forest, where she discovered a hidden glen filled with colorful flowers and shimmering, tiny creatures with wings. The fairies were having a party, and Luna was captivated by the magical scene. As Luna watched from behind a bush, she noticed a sad little fairy named Ruby sitting alone. Luna's heart melted, and she knew she had to help. With gentle steps, Luna approached Ruby and introduced herself. Luna's friendly demeanor and warm purr soon cheered up Ruby, and they became fast friends. The fairies were amazed by Luna's bravery and kindness. They invited her to join their festivities, where Luna danced with fireflies and shared stories with her new fairy friends. Luna's days became even more exciting as she split her time between her village and the enchanted forest. One day, Luna overheard the fairies discussing a problem. The magical moonstone that powered their glen was fading, causing the flowers to lose their glow and the fairies to lose their powers. Luna's adventurous spirit kicked in, and she offered to help find a solution. With Ruby and her fairy friends guiding her, Luna embarked on a quest to find the elusive stardust lily, a rare flower said to have the power to restore the moonstone's magic. Their journey took them through dark caves, over sparkling streams, and into the heart of the mystical whispering woods. Along the way, they encountered challenges and made new friends, a wise old owl who gave them advice, mischievous squirrels who helped them gather nuts, and a gentle deer who offered them protection. Luna's determination and teamwork inspired everyone they met. Finally, after many exciting twists and turns, they found the stardust lily at the peak of a moonlit mountain. Luna gently carried the flower back to the glen, and with the fairies' help, they placed it near the moonstone. As the first rays of dawn touched the flower, a burst of dazzling light enveloped the glen, restoring its magic. The fairies' powers returned, the flowers glowed with vibrant colors, and Luna's heart swelled with pride. She had not only found a magical flower, but had also forged unbreakable bonds of friendship along the way. From that day forward, Luna became a legend in both her village and the enchanted forest. She continued to explore, learn, and spread kindness wherever she went, proving that a curious heart and a helping paw could make the world a brighter and more magical place. And so, dear children, remember Luna the Curious Cat's story whenever you feel curious or brave. Adventure and friendship await those who follow their hearts, just like Luna did.